Have you ever tried pineapple rice? And do you know that pineapple rice has been gaining a lot of attention in the culinary space? Hello, sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Verse. And on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your pineapple rice. In order not to waste the time, let's go right into it. These are the ingredients you use to make your pineapple rice. Note, these are the most important ingredients you need. The most important thing first is the pineapple, then your sweet corn. For my rice, I'm using basmati rice, sesame oil, green pea, oil itself. I'm using shrimp, spring onions, grated pepper, grated onion, then my bell pepper, the green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and carrot. And these are the ingredients you need to make your pineapple rice. The pineapple rice, you need to cut your pineapple itself into two, just like the way I'm doing. Mind you, it was a bit difficult for me to get a very perfect shape of the pineapple, but nevertheless we still go on. So we're going to split the pineapple into two, just like the way I'm doing, and we're going to slash inside because we'll be using the pineapple shell itself, or the peel rather, to serve our pineapple rice. Then we're going to scoop the pineapple out of it. Just like the way I'm doing. I'm almost done, just have to scrape everything out of it. Then I'm going to do the same thing for my two pineapples. After that, I'm going to blend the pineapple because you need just the juice to make your pineapple rice. So time for us to blend our pineapple. So I'm just trying to make sure my pineapple is smooth, and I got a lot of juice out of it, that's enough to boil my rice. Then after that, I'm just going to sieve it to remove any seed and any lump, because I need just the water, that's the juice extract. And that is what I got. This is the water I got, and luckily for me, this is enough to boil my rice. So in the pot, I'm just going to add just my pineapple water only. Then I'm going to cover it and allow it to bring to a boil. While this is bringing to a boil, I've already washed my rice, and mind you, like I stated earlier, I'm using basmati rice, and this rice, it takes about 25 minutes to get cooked evenly. So I just poured my pineapple rice inside and allow it to boil for 15 minutes. Mind you, I'm just going to cover it and allow it to boil for 15 minutes. Mind you, it is not fully cooked at this stage, but it's all dainty. That's about 70 to 80% fully cooked, but it's not ready to chew. It's about 70% done at this stage. So I'm just going to cover it and set aside. So in another pot, I'm just going to add my oil. Your oil should be quantity to your preference. Then I'm going to went in with my grated onion. After that, my grated pepper, then my shrimps. Then I'm going to mix together. Next step is our seasoning cube. I'm going to mix together. Mind you, other people are free to use soy sauce or oyster sauce, but I don't want to use oyster sauce in my rice. I'm just going to leave it fresh and plain. Then I'm just going to add in our rice. That's our pineapple rice. Then after that, I'm just going to mix this until it is properly and well combined together, just like the way I'm doing. You just have to keep stirring because this is where the work comes in. Continue to mix together until it is well and properly combined together. After that, you go in with your carrots, your red bell pepper, and your green bell pepper with your yellow bell pepper. Then you mix again until it is combined. After that, we're just going to go in with our sweet corn and our green pea. Then we'll mix together, and at this stage your heat should be on a low heat. That's the fire, you should reduce it to the lowest. At this stage, your rice just needs to get steamed or to get cooked using the steaming method. After mixing together, we're just going to add our last ingredient, which is our spring onion. Then we're just going to mix again until it is combined. Then I'm going to drizzle a little bit of sesame oil to it to elevate the taste. We'll just keep mixing together, and I'm just going to leave it and allow it to steam between 5 to 7 minutes. That it's properly soft and it's ready to serve. Now, time for us to serve. This is what I did. I served my rice inside my pineapple peel, and this is what we have. So tell me, my sweet fingers lovers, tell me how I did. Tell me what you think about this video. Would you be recreating this video? Would you like to try pineapple rice using this method? Do not forget to watch our other videos if you want to learn how to upgrade your culinary skill for free. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section and I'll do well to reply you. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for watching my videos. I'll be seeing you in the next video. And by the way, this tastes so delicious. Bye.